Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. StudyFetch guide create a step-by-step test here at StudyFetch. So here is StudyFetch to create a step-by-step, what do you call this? Step-by-step, um, like a test here on call this StudyFetch. All you need to do is click on Study Plan right here. Press on Study Plan right there, and as you can see right now we don't have a test, but we're gonna create one. Just click on the practice right here. Once you're here, press on practice right here. Here practice, all you need to do is, so this is the problem with the StudyFetch, it's a little bit laggy, but overall it's a good what do you call this, good app for learning. Let's click on create test. Here we can create from materials or create from flashcard. Right now we're just gonna create from materials and continue. As you can see right now we have no materials right here. As you can see right there, no materials. And for the flashcards right here, I think we only have one flashcard because we tested this out earlier, and there's only one flashcard right here. There you go. Create a flashcard. Create from flashcard. There we go. From one flashcard earlier. Click on create. Oh, there's at least total. So yeah, there you go. Now if you're asking where do I get the how do I do this, all you need to do is upload a document. So all you need to do is go back to home. Go back to home, then press on materials on the bottom right corner right here, and then as you can see you can add materials right here. They can add materials. So many ways to add materials. You can add materials by calling this uploading documents, PDF and other files. Upload from your camera roll, type in a topic, handwrite notes, YouTube, and Quizlet right here. Those are the other ways, or you can just press upload right here in the top right corner. There you go, it's the same thing, but yeah, there you go guys. So yeah, hope you guys like the video. Please enjoyed. If you have more questions, you can type it in the comment section below guys, and then there you go guys, and then we'll be happy to answer you as soon as possible. And thank you guys. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.